Hello students, in this video I'm going to take income and expenditure account and its important topic. So the theory portion, theoretical concept I discussed in previous video. This is the continuing part of that video where I'm going to tell you what are the important items in income and expenditure account and how are going to be treated. So the first is entrance fees. Okay, entrance fees, what is it? It is the amount paid by new members at the time of joining the organization. Okay, so like suppose there is a sports club. So a sports club is a form of, it is a type of, the organization type is not for profit organization. So to join the sports club, members may come and they give admission fees or entrance fees. So that is entrance fees, because it is an income for not for profit organization, which is sports club. So this is going to be written in credit side of income and expenditure account. Okay, the credit side is income side. Next, the life membership fee. Okay, so life membership fee, it is the amount, okay, it is the amount which is received as one time subscription from the life members. Because it is a one time subscription, means the nature of this type of income is non-recurring, so it is not going to be shown in income and expenditure account. So we show this amount in balance sheet, and where we are going to show this? In liability side. Okay, and in liability side we will add this amount into capital fund. Okay, am I correct? Am I clear for all of you? Okay, so but what is life membership fee? It is a one time payment. Okay, it is a one time payment which amount which is going to be received from once in a life. ओके, वंस इन अ लाइफ. सपोज आपने कोई एक सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया एंड आपने लाइफ लॉन्ग सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया, तो लाइफ लॉन्ग सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने के लिए यू हैव पेड वन टाइम पेमेंट. ओके, यू मेक वन टाइम पेमेंट, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड लाइफ मेंबरशिप फीस. So for whole of the life you need not to pay, only one time you need to pay. So that's why it is going to be added to capital fund in liability side of balance sheet. The next is donations. Donation, we already know this term. Okay, what is it? It is the gift in cash or in property. So donation may be of two type. It may be a general donation, it may be a specific donation. General donation, the purpose is not specified, that is known as general donation. If purpose is specified of donation, it is called as specific donation. So the treatment for both is different. General donation, because purpose is not specified, so we take it into credit side of income and expenditure account. And if donation is for specified purpose, suppose donation for construction of building, we are going to show this in liability side of balance sheet. Now the second other term is legacy. What is legacy? It is the amount received as per the will of a deceased person. Okay, suppose a person dies and he has written in his will that after his death a portion of his property is going to be given to any charitable institution, so that is called as legacy. Again, the purpose of donation may be specified or may not be specified. If it is not specified, we will take it into income and expenditure, okay, like general donation. And if the purpose is specified, we will show this amount in liability side of balance sheet, like specific donation. The next item is our receipt and expense for special occasions. What are these? Sometimes any not for profit organization, they make arrangement for certain special occasions like drama, annual dinner, cultural meet, etc. Okay, so the amount from such occasion is transferred to income and expenditure. Net amount means what? Net amount means, suppose the receipt for any special occasion, the receipt for annual dinner is 40,000 rupees and expense is 30,000 rupees. So the net amount 10,000 you will show in our income and expenditure account. Okay, but if this is the income and this is expenditure, if income or receipt is more, we will show the net amount into credit side of income expenditure account. And if expenditures are more than income, so the net amount we will show in debit side of income and expenditure account. Next, sale of old newspaper. Okay, it is again we will think whether this sale of old newspaper is type of recurring activity or non-recurring nature. So it is recurring nature, because newspaper we keep buying every day and it gets old, and after getting old we sell. So it is a recurring type of, its nature is recurring. So we show this into credit side of income expenditure account. Next is sale of sports material. Okay, so sale of sports material, it is a regular feature of any sports club, isn't it? So it is going to be like sports sale of old sports material, like old ball, bats, nets. Okay, these are the sports material, and if they get old and we sell it, so it is a regular feature of or a recurring feature of a sports club. Because of it, we show this into our credit side of income expenditure account. Now next is honorarium. Okay, so what is honorarium? It is the amount or it is the token payment given in honor of service. Honorarium comes from honor. Okay, and whose honor? Honor of services rendered by a person who is not an employee of organization. What does it mean? Suppose any charitable institutions, they call a person from outside to deliver some motivational speech to its member. So such speaker will be given honorarium by that charitable institutions. So charitable institution is honoring the services of speaker, motivational speaker, who is not the employee of the organization. So it is an expense for organization and it is going to be debited in income and expenditure account. Now next is sale of old assets. Old assets like building, furniture, etc. So if we sell, if any NPO, not for profit organization, Sales its old assets. So old assets, sale of old assets is non-recurring nature activity. So it is not a revenue receipt, and we will not show this in income and expenditure account. Instead, we subtract the sale of asset from the asset in asset side of balance sheet. How we are going to show this? Suppose this is asset side, okay, and building, the total amount of building is 50,000 and a part of it is sold for 10,000. So sale we will subtract in asset side, okay, and 40,000 remains in asset side. Now I take another example. Suppose a asset value, a value of furniture, okay, book value of furniture is 30,000, but it 30,000 furniture sold for 20,000. So loss incurred in this is 10,000. Loss is going to be shown in income and expenditure account, okay. So in this transaction loss incurred. Suppose in other transaction if any gain incurred, so gain or loss is going to be shown in income and expenditure account, okay. Thank you. That's it for this video. I hope you have understood all the items. Thank you.